Now let's proceed to power to product law. Again, power to product law. By the way, kanina, so final answer doon is b raised to the power of 3, x raised to the power of 5, and z pala to. Z raised to the power of, ito yun, z raised to the power of 2. Tsaka a raised to the power of 2, y raised to the power of 4. I-arrange na to into alphabet. Now let's proceed to product to power law. So we have here product to power law. Di ba kanina yung product, it looks like this, no? Yung product, okay? Ang exponent na sa taas, no? Times siya. Eto, meron na siyang exponent, naka-raise pa jud into another exponent. Again, meron na siyang sariling exponent, naka-raise pa sa another exponent. We call that one as product to power law. So in this case, ang timenan na is na open and close parentheses. Okay? So all we need to do, kay naka-product law man ni siya, i-distribute ni nato sito in every entity in this quantity. So we have here, for example, 3. Ang exponent daan ni 3 is 1. Diba? Kung walay nakabutang dia, understood na na ay 1. So 2 times 1 is equal to 3 raised to the power of 2. Again na, si 2, gikan na sa multiply na 2 times naman ikaw galingon na exponent si 3, which is 1. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Si x raised to the power of 4, again, naka-power product to power law man siya, so multiply na to. 4 times 2, so x is raised to the power of 8. Y, copy y, then 2 times 2, so we have 4. So we have now the new term, no? 3 raised to the power of 2, x raised to the power of 8, y raised to the power of 4. Take note then that when the numerical coefficient is not yet or don't have an exponent of positive 1 yet, it is not yet simplified. So raised to the power of 2 mani is simplified as ani. So it looks like this. Now we have separate here. 3 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 3 times 3, kasi dalawang beses i-repeat ito. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So from 3 raised to the power of 2, pinalitan na natin ng 9. Yung variable, hindi na natin yan kinakailangan i-simplify. Okay? Yung number lang. Again, when the base is number, simplify it. So answer here is x raised to the power of 8. 9x raised to the power of 8. Y raised to the power of 4. So that's the final answer. So another example here is p raised to the power of 5 raised to the power of 2 pa dyan siya. So again, distribute. Eto, may number pa rin dyan, no? But it is still understood. Diba, merong 1 dyan. 2 raised to the power of, sa 1, understood pa yun na numerical coefficient na 1. 1 times 2, para lang yan ganito. 1 raised to the power of 2. Then p, 5 times 2, we have 10. So it looks like this. Again, 1 raised to the power of 2. So it looks like this. 1 times, di ba, 1 raised to the power of 2 equals. Again, 1 raised to the power of 2. So 1 times 1 is still equal to 1. So again, this is 10. So final answer, p, kasi pag 1 yan, pwede nang hindi sulat, p raised to the power of 10. Kaya ra? Okay?